Good morning, Rajah Scholars and Champions. This is Mr. Lawson here with our morning announcements for Tuesday, October the 6th. First, a happy birthday today to Emily Aguilar, Sebastian Espinosa, Annabelle Gonzalez, and Sadie Nava. We hope you have a wonderful celebration with your family tonight. And thank you for sharing your positivity, respect, integrity, determination, and excellence all over the place. I have some great news that I want to share with you this morning because I had a teacher email me and said, can you please share this on the broadcast when you do the Rajah That shout out? Miss Flora Salinas in our Health Academy sent this in and said, I just wanted to share how amazing my first period introduction to healthcare students are. They're freshmen. This morning, with all the synergy issues that they were helping each other out while I was posting the link for all the other students to join through Google Classroom. They were patient as we had to wait for everyone else to join. They were answering questions in the chat box as new students joined in and asked about what we were doing, as well as answering questions in Google Classroom to reassure each other and all the students that couldn't join quickly that this was a district problem on technology. The students that could not log in through Synergy were so determined to join the class that as soon as I posted the link, the majority of them joined right off the bat. I don't know if it's possible, but I want to give them the biggest shout out because they show their Rajah spirit because they were positive and had a tremendous respectful attitude in class. Such a great start of the week for me. So I want to say to all of you in Miss Flora Salinas' first period class, thank you for that outstanding job and showing that Rajah pride. And let's move to our next. Also, I want to share with you, our freshman election results. I'm proud to share with you the following: that elected as freshman class president, Evelyn Becerra, our vice president, Mia Bella Cancino, our secretary, Jacqueline Avila, technology and social media publicity, Zara Shatavi, and activities, Haley Guerrero. We wish all of you the best for this year as you take on that leadership role for our freshman class officers. Thank you for being a positive influence and role model on our site. And don't forget, today at lunch, the Interact Club has their lunchtime meeting each and every Tuesday. You can still join in. Be sure to check Remind and Google Classroom, and you can be a part of that group. Also, if you're interested, order in the court. If you're interested in being a bailiff, a court clerk, a witness, an attorney, a defendant, or a victim, please come out on Monday and Tuesday, October 12th and 13th to Zoom mock trial auditions at 6 o'clock. For more information, you can email Madam Sung, and her email address we'll have connected so that you can find that, but it's just martha.sung@desertsands.us. You can also look up Madam Sung on our webpage when you go to academics and look under world language. She's our French teacher, and you'll find her email link there so you can click and join in on mock trial. And another announcement from Mr. Gomez in our college career office. The county is so overwhelmed. So many seniors have been joining in those free workshops for getting your college essays and personal statements done and done well, that they are adding 2 more sessions this Friday only because there's been an overwhelming demand. So they've added 2 free sessions. The space is limited. It's from 3 o'clock to 6. So if you didn't get in on the other ones because they filled up, they've added this Friday for those of you that would still like to be a part of that. Also, don't forget, our National Honor Society students are registering people to vote quickly. The deadline's coming, and we want everyone that's eligible to vote to have that opportunity to have their voice heard, because when you vote, you change the world. We're proud of our Honor Society students. They're in the top 5 in the country for their efforts in this volunteer community service project. And now our joke of the day. What did the pencil sharpener say to the pencil? Would you stop going in circles and get to the point? And thank you, Mr. Schlosser, for sending me a final thought, inspiration to share today. The final thought for the day is this: progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. So what does that mean? It means that we need to be open-minded and hear different perspectives. Sometimes in class, you'll have debates or discussions where you have to take two sides of an issue, and sometimes there's even more than two different viewpoints on something, and it's an opportunity to hear everyone's thoughts, everyone's ideas, and then to shape your thoughts and views based on all the information you get. That's how change happens, when we're open-minded enough to hear that there are different ways of seeing things. And sometimes you can take two different ideas and put them together and come up with a third one that's even better than all of them. So we want to make sure we understand progress happens when we're open to change. And with that, be kind to one another, Indio, and stay classy, and we'll see you tomorrow.